Hello there again, grade 4 students. How are you now? Our lesson for today is on writing a problem solution essay. The things that we need are your reader's and writer's notebook and your pencils. Our objectives for today, you will be able to identify the key features of a problem solution essay, understand the steps of writing a problem solution essay. Are you ready for the lesson today? Before we go any further, let us first take up what is a problem solution essay. A problem solution essay informs readers about a multi-step problem and suggests actions that could be taken to solve this problem. I have here an example of a problem and a solution. Obesity has become a major health issue for North Americans, and this problem is aggravated because of the absence of physical activity in large segments of the population. In addition to healthier eating habits, one solution would be make it easier for obese North Americans to exercise on a daily basis. Now we're ready for our activity. Turn to your reader's and writer's notebook, page 281. Now our task is to read the text and answer the questions. Let me read it for you. Let's clean up the sidewalks. Every morning, 5 kids from our neighborhood walk to Central School. Most days, we love our walk, but in the winter, after it snows, walking to school turns into a chore. It's especially bad when people shovel their driveways and toss the snow onto the sidewalks. Slugging through the deep snow and scrambling up and down snow hills is hard work. Even wearing boots and snow pants, we still get to school with wet socks. Walking the street is not a good solution because it is dangerous and against the law. There is a simple solution to this problem. If every family in the neighborhood shoveled the sidewalk in front of their house, we should have a nice, clean, and safe path to school. It doesn't take very much work to shovel a few feet of sidewalk, and if everyone does his or her part, the whole walk will be clear in no time. We do not, we do understand that some people have a hard time doing physical work such as shoveling. Maybe more able neighbors could help those people out. We kids would be happy to learn to lend a hand sometimes too. Friends and neighbors, please join us in making our walk to school safer and more comfortable this winter. Let's all start shoveling. Now let us answer the questions. Reread the selection and underline the sentences that states the problem. 2. List 2 facts that support the writer's opinion about the problem. 3. Circle the sentences that states the solution to the problem. And now, here are our answers to the question. Number 1, underline the sentences that states the problem. So the sentence that states the problem is, but in the winter, after it snows, walking to school turns into a chore. And the 2 facts that support the writer's opinion is slugging through the snow is hard work. And we get to school with wet socks. Finally, The sentence that states the solution is, if every family in the neighborhood shoveled the sidewalk in front of their houses, we would have a nice, clean, and safe path to school. Did you understand the problem solution essay? Thank you for listening.